Are you happy? I hope so. Are you okay? I hope so. Welcome to my series of videos on IELTS teaching. In the last videos, we were talking about what is IELTS about. But in today's videos, we are going to talk about what is the format of IELTS. IELTS tests your proficiency in English in 4 modules. That is speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Well, speaking has 11 to 14 minutes time. It means the minimum time is 11 minutes and the maximum time is 14 minutes. And there are 3 sections in IELTS speaking. The section number 1 is called warm-up activity, in which very simple questions are asked from you. For example, what's your name and what are your hobbies and what's your hometown name and are you a student or do you work or what kind of changes do you see in your hometown. It only enables you to speak with confidence because the examiner knows you are hesitant. So the first section is warm-up activity, very simple, very easy. The next section, which is section number 2, is a topic that is called Quiz card. A simple topic is given to you and you are asked to describe a topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You are given 1 minute time to prepare your topic and then you will have to describe the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You also can make notes if you wish. So a piece of paper and a pencil is given to you so that you prepare your notes in 1 minute and then you utilize that 1 minute to speak about a topic. The topics are like festivals and dinner party and you describe about your friend and very simple everyday topics like that. In the last section is called round off section. In the round off section is a discussion topic. So the examiner expects from you long answers like 8 to 9 lines answers. So you will have to produce at least 9 to 10 sentences on the question. The questions are always about the topic and this is a scripted interview, meaning there are fixed questions and the examiner also has no choice to ask questions from his own. So he has to ask the question which are given in the format. The next module is called listening. But listening, reading and writing is taken on the next day in the examination hall with at least 300 other candidates. Listening has 40 questions. Listening has 40 questions and you are given 30 minutes time to do listening. In listening, you will listen to an audio CD. It means an audio CD is played in the hall for you and you will have to pick the answers from that CD and you will have to choose the correct answer. It tests your listening power and it also gives you 10 minutes time to transform your answer to an answer sheet. So the whole time for listening is 40 minutes, 30 minutes questions and 10 minutes transformation time. Remember, the only proficiency which the examiner want to see is to your picking point in listening. Then is reading section. Reading section has 3 passages having 40 questions, 13 questions in section number 1, 13 questions in section number 2 and 14 questions in section number 3. Maximum time for that is 60 minutes and the transformation time is included in that. Remember, no extra time is given to you in the reading section. So 60 minutes time, 40 questions, 3 sections, 3 passages and you will have to find the answers of those questions in the answer sheet. It means this is comprehension and not reading test actually. The name is reading but the test is comprehension. It means you will have to find the answers of the questions in those passages. Then the writing section. Writing has 2 tasks. Task number 1 and task number 2. In task number 1 you will have to describe a graph in 150 words. It means that a graph is given to you and you will have to write 150 words about that graph. The task number 2 is called essay. Essay is 250 words. That is task 2, and 40 minutes time is given to you. For task 1, you have 20 minutes time, and for task 2, you have 40 minutes time. It means the combined time for both of the task 1 and task 2 is 60 minutes time, and that is the end of your IELTS test. There are 2 important points to remember. If you have 12 correct answers in listening and reading, you will get 4 bands, and the more correct answers you have, the better bands can you create. Okay, if you like the video, subscribe our channel, like the video, and click on the bell.